Are you tired of inefficient marketing processes slowing down your team's success? There's a solution waiting for you. Vida Health, a leader in virtual healthcare, faced productivity challenges as they expanded their marketing efforts. Existing productivity tools became a barrier, making it impossible for the marketing team to operate effectively. The lack of standard project management created confusion, preventing team members from collaborating seamlessly. They realized they needed a central hub to streamline their company projects and enhance transparency. With ClickUp implemented, the team automated busywork, allowing them to focus on crucial marketing strategies. The results were astounding. Marketing operations productivity surged by an impressive 50%. Team members saved a full hour each week that was previously lost to document searches. Moreover, they reclaimed over 8 hours weekly in meetings, stimulating creative collaboration among stakeholders. Incorporating ClickUp transformed Vida Health's marketing approach, proving that the right tools drive productivity forward.